Hello, I'm here. Focus me, baby. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show this Valentine's Day makeup look 2. The one is already up on my channel. So yes, without any further ado, if you like what you see so far, please keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna start moisturizing my face with this Garnier Daily Care Moisturizing Cream. Smells really nice. So now I'm gonna move on to my favorite primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'm going to use my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade number 238. Like guys, this is my third bottle and I can't think of experimenting with any other foundation because I am in total love with this one. By the way, I forgot mentioning that I'm using this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me range. It's a shade 20 Sand or Sable. So I'm using this Miss Claire loose powder. It's in the shade Translucent TL4. So for contouring, I'm using this Elizabeth Arden bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to use this Color Workshop blush. Then my favorite part, highlighter. And my favorite highlighter is this Sivana Colors Bronzed Professional. Like it has 2 highlighters and 1 bronzer. This is amazing, you guys. If you want a budget-friendly like highlighter, I would really suggest you to buy this. You can buy it on Amazon or maybe from Impressions Karol Bagh. So yes, it's a good buy. So now the time for lipstick, and for that I'm going to use my favorite MAC Ruby Woo. So for my brows, I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in this shade Brown. So yeah. So for eye makeup, I'm gonna go with this maroon shade. For my lid area, I'm gonna use this shade right here from this palette. So I'm gonna take the same brush, like the blending brush, and I'm gonna run the brush again to remove any harsh edges. So I'm going to use this mascara from Color Bar. So it has two sides, like the one side is for lengthening and the other side is for volumizing. So first I'm going to use the lengthening side. You see guys, the magic it has done to my lashes. This is just the lengthening side. Now I'm going to put on the volumizing side. Let's see. So I'm going to use this volumizing side on my lower lashes as well. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you liked the video. Do not forget to give a big thumbs up, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you. This has been my favorite. Guys, I love this guys, I love this lip shade so much that I've kept it. Kya hua? Guys, what? And yes, for iPad I'm gonna go like very sober, like with thick eyebrows and fuller lashes. So yes. Is there any term fuller lashes? Because we usually use fuller lips. But yeah, with thick lashes. Thick lashes hoti hai koi term? Thick lashes. I don't know, I feel that they've been way too dark. So I don't know what did I do with my brows. So this pencil always does kabada to my eyebrows. Hamare brows अच्छे नहीं लग रहे ना? Mascara. So I'm going to use this mascara. So I'm going to use this mascara from. So I'm going to use like dual mascara. One side is for light. So sorry. This is amazing. Me range. It's two. Sorry. I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick, Ruby Woo from MAC. I forgot mentioning. So now the time for lipstick, and for lipstick, so now the time